Can you make some place, please? Can you make some space?
But Arjun will take my job in a second. Okay, on that cheerful note, everyone, on behalf of the Virat Kohli Foundation as well as Playing for Humanity and GS Worldwide, and that quick mention of the players that will be part of both the teams. Virat, of course, will lead a team that also has, amongst others, Ajinkya Rahane, who's sitting on his right, and it's not a bad middle order as well. MS Dhoni, Zair Khan, Yuvraj Singh, Shikhar Dhawan, R. Ashwin, among others. It's almost a full-fledged India team, so good luck, Virat. Yeah. Well, you guys kept him close last time. And Abhishek Bachchan's team, along with Arjun Kapoor, who will make his debut for the All-Stars. No? Second match? Oh, I thought he didn't play the last one. My bad. But would also include, and correct me if I'm wrong, Abhishek, but Ranbir Kapoor, Aditya Roy Kapoor, Sachin Joshi, Dino Moria, Shujit Sarkar, among others. Yep. So that's what we're going to see tomorrow at Andheri Sports Complex in the evening. Let's just have a bit of it. Virat, starting with you, just a bit more on the Virat Kohli Foundation, as well as the team, and of course you had fun doing this the last time. Just your thoughts ahead of this one?
Yeah, firstly, hello everyone. Pleasure being here again for the press con. Last time it happened was a while back, we just realized. But I think it's for a great initiative. When the foundation came into existence, we decided to get together and get people to come and watch something which is very unusual to happen. Get a bit of sport involved, challenge them in a bit of sport, not anywhere else that we can challenge them, but yeah, it was fun. I mean, the last event was really good. The whole idea was to raise funds and help the underprivileged last time, but this time it's a bigger cause. It's for the drought situation that happened just now. And yeah, when you come together for a good cause, it always feels nice. And involving a bit of sport is always, a bonus to it, because you have some sort of motivation to go out there and actually win a game. And you put your 100% into it. So I think that was the whole point. I hear these guys practice really hard. They train a lot. Arjun just mentioned scoring a goal, but that was surely not against us last time because he wasn't there. Yeah. Nah, but it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun, definitely exciting for both the teams. And you guys will be surprised the way cricketers play football as well tomorrow, I can assure you.
Okay, so there's your headline, from the cricketer at least.
And
now,
it's a friendly match the way Virat
yeah. No, that's my next thing. Everyone knows how hard Virat Kohli trains for cricket. Are you as determined to win this as well? Are we going to see the same Virat on the field?
See, for sportsmen, it's very difficult to get rid of that aggressive intent or the will to win. So last time as well, we decided to make it friendly, but things got very unfriendly on the pitch at times. But all in all, it was fun. As I said, the adrenaline kicks in. Obviously, when you're on the pitch, any sort of sport you play, which is going to be no different tomorrow. But at the end of the game, we all shook hands and walked off nicely, which I think is the most important thing.
Brilliant.
Yeah, on our 2 feet.
No one sums up unfriendly more than Ajinkya Rahane. Hostile, aggressive, unfriendly on the pitch. Ajinkya, your first football gig in front of a home crowd. You've played a lot of cricket in Mumbai. Looking forward to this?
Yes, looking forward to this. First time for me. I wasn't available last time. But I'm really happy for Virat and really happy to be here for this great cause and looking forward to play with these guys. I heard these guys are practicing every day and practicing really hard.
Poor Ajinkya has always quizzed on which position he wants to play at. This is a different question, but which position do you normally play on the football field?
Everywhere.
I think that sums it up. Okay, let's move to the All-Stars. Abhishek, I won't call 4-3 a mauling or an embarrassing defeat. The scoreline was good. But what's different from last time now? Why should we expect the All-Stars to give us a bigger challenge?
First of all, welcome to the members of the media. It's wonderful to see so many of you here. First and foremost, congratulations to these two gentlemen who've not only made India proud, but made their clubs at the IPL very proud. So, and we're very proud of them and huge fans. So it's an honor to be sitting next to them. We're very happy for Virat and his foundation. He was very sweet the last time he invited us over to New Delhi, and we had a wonderful match and helped raise funds for his foundation, and they've been very sweet to come down and agree to do this charity match. And I'd like to congratulate both the Bunties, Buntiwali and Bunty Sajde, for putting together such a wonderful, wonderful match. You know, it's being a football lover, it's wonderful to see all these great sportsmen come onto the field. In most of the cases of their team who's playing tomorrow, they're probably as good at football as they are to cricket, barring maybe Bhaji. But they're fantastic sportsmen. They actually play football as a warm-up. And it's wonderful to get the opportunity to play against them. And the last time it was a close match. And the nice thing about these matches is, you know, when you have people like Ajinkya and Yuvi and Mahi and Virat and all these guys, they take it very seriously. Although it is a charity match, it's for fun, it's to raise money for the drought victims. It only becomes interesting if you make it competitive. And so I guarantee you tomorrow, you know, both sides are going to be going for it. What's different from the last time round? The last time round was 3 years ago. It's taken us 3 years to get all of them together and all of us together. You know, coordinating all the dates of all the actors and getting them to even come to a practice on Sundays. Bunty, Walia, fantastic. This would not be possible without you and GS, so thank you very much. And the difference is, 3 years ago, these guys were all kids. Now they're at peak condition. 3 years ago, we were all old men, and now we are even older. So that's the only difference. But, you know, I think I said this last time, you know, what we lack in talent or football, I think the actors will make up in heart, and hopefully in a bit of performance also. So I remember one of my favorite moments from the last match was there was this wonderful photograph that came out of Virat and me going shoulder to shoulder with him dribbling. And I was really giving it to him, you know, really leaning into him. And that's where you realize the wonder of photography, because that was that 1 millisecond after which he was gone. He just went right past me, and I was nowhere near him. That's how fast he is. But the photograph is immortal now, so for that moment we were shoulder to shoulder. I think tomorrow they're going to have a great game. They're very fit. They play all the time. I'm not playing tomorrow, unfortunately, because of my injury. So I'm not allowed to play till September. So we have a good excuse if we don't win that, you know, the other star player wasn't playing. So, but yeah, thank you. Thank you. Guys, this is Mumbai, okay? This is our town. This is the film industry town. You all are supporting us tomorrow. Let's get that straight. Right? Boys? Correct. Kal houseful karna.
You just...
Houseful ke baare mein baat nahi karenge. But we're just very honored, you know, as all of us, you know, be it Arjun, Ranbir, myself,
Sure.
anybody on the team, just to walk onto the pitch with these guys who we admire so much and have so much love and respect for is a great high. And to do it for a cause which everybody feels very strongly about, which is the drought, is fantastic. So again, congratulations to Cornerstone and GS for putting this together. We promise you a very competitive and animated match tomorrow for sure.
You need actors to do their thing on the field. We've seen Pepe do
Well,
it.
of late, Virat can give us competition in acting as well. He does more ads than all of us put together. So he spends more time in front of the camera. You're on the GQ cover as well?
That is such a nice way of saying that.
Next match, he can play with himself.
Okay, great. Arjun, Abhishek gives you the perfect intro. A team of old men. I'm sure you would disagree now. So here's
In
your
the team
chance.
of old men, he's the youngest. So
Yeah,
you can
here's
imagine our
your
average
chance.
age. No, Arjun is fantastic. You know, Arjun couldn't join us last time in New Delhi, but the last match, you know, All Stars played in Raipur, where we played for Magic Bus and raised, how much did we raise? Almost 70 lakh rupees. Arjun debuted on the scoring sheet. It's another thing that he had no idea the ball had gone into the goal. And no.
I didn't know how to celebrate.
But correct. He just ran all over the place. But he's really very good. And, you know, I have to say, these guys do this for a living. You know, day in, day out, they play sports. For boys like Arjun and each and every actor on the team. You know, for them to take out 3 hours every week, come for practice regularly, means a lot to me. You know, when Bunty and I started this team, just to get these guys to show up, you know, it means a lot. It makes a big difference to them. These are all very busy actors, and for them to take out time and come out is great.
Do they
Arjun is in-
last a long time during
They
training?
last the whole 90 minutes.
Brilliant.
Tomorrow they won't, because we'll have rolling. We'll
Not,
have
not
ro-
yours, Arjun.
You meet him at night. His stamina is fantastic.
I don't know how he knows.
I've known him since he was a kid. No, but tomorrow we have rolling subs, so we like to give everybody a run around, because the occasion is bigger than just the match.
Absolutely.
But they do, yeah. Well, dude, you have no faith in actors or what?
No, I have a lot. I mean, I'm a cricket guy,
Yeah,
but
and the one thing we have that the cricketers don't is really big bodyguards. You know?
they'll be playing as well.
No, they'll be on the sideline just to snatch them away if they're acting too smart. Yeah, and
All
also Aditya Thackeray, who's very sweetly helped us with the venue and everything. We'd like to thank him for putting together the Andheri Sports Complex, which is a wonderful pitch, and it's so nice that he's giving this to Mumbai as a footballing destination. And the great thing about knowing Aditya and him being a Mumbaiker is that we have the keys to Virat's locker room. So don't be shocked if they don't manage to get out of their locker room and they're locked in. And by some weird coincidence, the keys have gone missing.
All right. On that note, Arjun, just thoughts ahead of this one?
You really want me to say anything after how much
I
he said?
don't think there's anything left, but
See,
just
I have to
hear
make an
from
honest
you. Yeah.
confession. See, I'm coming for the first time to play with the Indian cricket team because I actually want to take a selfie with the entire team. I have no other intention at this point in time.
And that's enough for Arjun. Thank you very much.
I can see why Abhishek
मेरे
was
को तो
doing
बस
the
सेल्फी
talking.
लेने का है तो मैंने साइन किया मैंने बोला अच्छा क्रिकेट टीम के साथ मौका मिलेगा no it's like Abhishek said, it's an honor and a privilege to walk on to a sporting event with these athletes who have represented our country and made us proud. They've been playing the entire season, they've been playing every single day, and still to take out time to do this, it's amazing on their part. We are busy as actors, but we don't have to physically strain ourselves. So I'm really happy and excited to be part of such a fantastic event. You know, we always want to do so much as individuals, but the potential of coming together and being able to make a difference, you can see for yourself. I think it's very, very rare to get so many people from these different walks of life to come together for the right reasons. So I'm very happy and I'm very grateful to both the Bunties, like Abhishek said, for being able to put this together. And it should be fun, it should be exciting. And I will score a goal. Which side, we'll find out.
No, their side.
Okay.
So,
You have to remember, you know, they're sportsmen, we're actors. Let's keep that in mind. Secondly, you know, we actors believe in our mantra for the team is it's not how well you play, it's how good you look while playing. Okay, so we're actors. So
I think
बाल वाल
Virat
बना के
does
सब
a
आएंगे हम
decent
लोग,
job of that.
Makeup करके we look very good. Photographs में अच्छे लगेंगे हम लोग. हाँ, सब high speed में भागना, all that.
मैंने एक पूरी पिक्चर की थी गुंडे to just get used to the run. Just to understand the run.
I think Hardik Pandya is part of your team, Virat. Is that right? Yeah, so great. So I think you're going to lose that as well tomorrow, from what we've seen of Hardik. And who's going to lead the All Stars in your absence tomorrow? Is there a
Well, because
captain designate?
I'm recovering from a slip disc, so I'm not allowed to play. So I'll be doing my best Jose Mourinho impression on the sidelines, shouting and screaming at them. What I don't know, but I'll make good photographs. I promise you that. So Ranbir is going to be captaining the team.
Great.
He's the vice captain and a co-founder of the All Stars. He couldn't be here today because he's busy shooting for his new film. So Ranbir will be walking out as captain.
All right. Thank you very much, Abhishek. Right, both these teams have spoken of the two bunties on stage, so it's only right we hear from them just before we... Age before beauty. Okay, on that note... Bunty Walia is the head of GS Worldwide Entertainment, also co-owns and manages the All-Stars. So let me just get Bunty's thoughts ahead of this, putting this together, getting the cricketers and the footballers for tomorrow's big game. So Ajinkya, Virat, Abhishek. Hold it, yeah. Let it be. ये करो बाद में कुछ maybe post match में थोड़ा was going to mention the partners now. Just as you guys are taking the pictures, keep going, don't get distracted. I'd just like to thank all the partners and sponsors. First of all, special thank you to Aditya Thackeray, Vijay Patil and Adesh Bandekar, as well as our venue partner BKLP. Sponsors and partners, our broadcast partners Star Sports and Hotstar. There'll be a delayed telecast tomorrow at 9 p.m. on Star Sports of the game itself. Book My Shows, where you need to go to book tickets for it. They're also our online booking partners. The title sponsors, Goa Kings. The associate sponsors, Raj Green Infrastructure, Campus Shoes, Vian Handsets, Best Deal TV, Living Liquid. Sporting partner, Ocean. Catering partner, Adidas and Nike. Outdoor partner, Bright Outdoor Media. Radio partner, Big 92.7 FM. Medical partner, Aditya Birla Memorial Hospital. Print partner, Midday. PR partners, Universal Communications. Hospitality partner, Courtyard, Marriott. Okay. At the behest of our guests, we are going to throw this open to the media. I think it's
Yeah,
going to
if
be
we
more
have
to
any-
the actors than the
Guys,
cricketers,
if you
but
have
yeah.
any questions,
Questions?
if I request you, if you can just put your hand up and stand up, and then we'll answer your questions. And let's keep them decent and to football, hopefully.
And the test begins now. Anybody? No? Very superb. Yes, ma'am. What's there?
Sorry, I can't hear you. The estimated oh, you mean how much we're going to raise? Well, ma'am, a large part of that depends on the amount of tickets we can sell for tomorrow. So we will only be able to announce that once we're done with the match, because the ticket sales will contribute hugely to the final number. But we hope it's a lot.
If I can add, you guys will make sure that the number goes out. Make a huge. When you guys step out of here and start writing and talking about it, it will make a huge difference. I think it's one of those causes where you guys can make a difference. So I hope this press conference has that added value in the ticket sales as well.
Virat, would you talk about... Hi, this is Sohail here from Glamsham. Would you like to talk something...
can't see you.
Yeah. Would you like to talk something about Virat Foundation actually, or what does it really work on, and what are the plans this time?
Well, as I said, I mean, back in the day when we decided to do this game is the first time I came out in the open with announcing that I'm going to start a foundation. It basically, the main idea or the priority always has been to help the underprivileged, but we thought this situation that happened was pretty serious, and we had to do something at a large scale to raise enough funds for the situation to actually be helped in some way possible. So, as both of these gentlemen mentioned, it's really up to you guys to promote it in a way that people can afford to lose out on a weekend party and actually have a Saturday night spent for a good cause, and they can sleep through the Sunday. So there's no problems in that. But yeah, generally the foundation primarily is for helping the underprivileged. But if opportunities come like these, where a serious issue has to be addressed or helped, the foundation is always open to it. And I'm glad these guys have come along again and decided to do this for a great cause.
Right. Any more questions? Yeah, you could just shoot out from there.
Yeah. I think we have a very wonderful team. Two people I'd love to add in our team. One would be John, because Baba was actually captain of Bombay Scottish School, and is a wonderful striker. Another person would be Aditya Chopra, but I don't think he's ever going to come out of Yash Raj. But Adi, yeah. Correct. So Adi, again, is a wonderful midfielder and a striker. So I'd have loved to have these two play with us. So we've asked John. John has been very busy with his films. He's come once or twice for practice. But these are the two actors, one actor and one director-producer who I think would be a great addition to our team.
We'll stick with one per person so that we get in more questions from different people. Anybody else? And just related to this, okay, I think that's a wrap then, gentlemen. Thank you very much.
There's someone. Three people popped up.
Yeah. Ask them to come down, no, if you want. Just announcement for all the media partners, all our members from the press. Tomorrow, media accreditation to cover tomorrow's game will be available at the ground itself. Photographers and print media at 5:30 p.m. at Andheri Sports Complex, and electronic media at 9 p.m. for the press conference at Andheri Sports Complex. Thank you, everybody.